Hello guys, welcome back to Donut Delicacy by Shaida Master. In this video, we are going to make healthy cookies made out of wheat flour. Look at how gorgeous chocolatey they look. So do try it out and let me know how it turned out for you. And while you're at it, so stay tuned till the end to know how. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Shaida's Master Recipes.
We will start off by grinding flax seeds and form a powder. These seeds are considered to be high in protein and also helps us regulate cholesterol level, making these cookies healthy to eat. Then we'll soak the powder in half a cup of water and then keep it aside. Now in another bowl, we'll add virgin coconut oil and brown sugar, which will make the cookies chewy. Along with that, we'll add jaggery as a replacement to sugar. We will also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix all the ingredients together until they are well combined. Now to the mixture, we'll add the soaked flax seeds powder and thoroughly mix again until it starts looking like this. It's time to add the dry ingredients, which are wheat flour. Make sure you sieve the flour before adding. This will prevent from creating lumps. Now add baking powder, baking soda and salt according to your taste. Mix all the ingredients together with soft hands and form a cookie dough, which will look something like this. Now keep the bowl aside and let's chop some dark chocolate. Here I'm using 45% dark compound chocolate. You can also use Amul's dark chocolate slab. I'm using 125 grams of chocolate. You can increase or decrease according to your needs. Now that we have these chocolate chunks ready to be added in the cookie dough, add everything together and mix it very well so that you get chocolate in every single bite of your cookie. These cookies are not just healthy but also delicious. Your sweet cravings while you're on a diet will 100% be satisfied. Your dough is ready to be baked. Line a baking tray with a parchment paper and scoop out the dough using an ice cream scooper so that you get even sized cookies every time. Once you scoop out the dough, place it on the parchment paper and flat it out and keep enough space for the cookies to expand. Now bake these cookies for 15 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius, and once they are done, remove it off the parchment paper only after it comes down to room temperature. These cookies are going to be perfectly gooey and chewy. And that's it, your healthy wheat flour dark chocolate cookies are ready. They are exceptionally delicious and look at how gorgeous chocolatey they look. So do try it out and let me know how it turned out for you. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel by clicking over here and watch these other videos to make your cooking and baking experience better.